Riverbender.com's live coverage of today's game is brought to you by Roberts Ford, the value store since 1949. Tom Lane State Farm, your good neighbor agent in the Riverbend. Andy's Auto Body, tire and auto service and sales. First Mid-America Credit Union, exceeding member expectations since 1934. Auto Centers Nissan, home of the Wiggity Way. Gerard Fisher, American Family Insurance, all your protection under one roof. Roper's Regal Beagle, the Metro East premier sports bar and grill. Liberty Bank. Bank locally, bank Liberty. Auto Butler Car Wash and Express Lube. Clean, shine, and protect. Alton Sports Tap. Sports, food, and good times. Ruderman Plumbing. Your locally owned plumbing superheroes. Macias Insurance Agency. Your local independent insurance agent.
Elizabeth Rexford missing last season basketball and softball. She's a senior now, and her younger sister, Hannah Rexford, a freshman, but 5 inches taller. We're underway, and there is the freshman, Hannah Rexford. Out to Maddie Shareka as Roxana wins the tip. And we're underway for Monday night girls basketball here as Kreitstreicher has it, the freshman for Roxana. And Coach Tammy Talbert. Now Shareka tips it to Elizabeth Rexford. 5'3", senior guard. Now Hannah Rexford has it. Down low, Metro East with almost a couple of near steals there, but Shells work it around the three-point line. Now a 2 for Kreitstreicher, no good. Rebound in there for Roxana, and then a jump ball called as the Knights were in there too. Abby McMahon in there to tie her up. She will start with Abby Yurchuk, Marie Schultz, Emily Marcuzzo, and Morgan Schneider for the Knights.
Well, Schultz come out with a full court press here, and with the idea of maybe looking for some turnovers, and there you go.
Once they get it in the front court, they throw it into the seats, into the stands it goes. And with 7:12 to go in the first quarter, no score. Roxana ball again, and here come the Shells with Coach Tammy Talbert calling out a play for the point guard, senior Elizabeth Rexford. Now to Hannah Rexford, down to Shareka. Couldn't handle the pass on the baseline, so it's taken the other way by senior Emily Marcuzzo now.
It's a 2-3 zone that Metro's playing, but it's more of a matchup zone and very active so far in the first 2 possessions.
Knights and Shells, no score. Girls hoops tonight. We have Fighting Illini tomorrow night, along with Riverbend boys basketball too. All kinds of action tomorrow night. Here's a steal, turnover, and Roxana coming the other way. Shareka, free throw line jumper is short. Rebound, and some contact under the basket. The ball rolls out of bounds, and it's going to be Metro East basketball.
Surprising to see Shareka. She was uncontested there, right at the left elbow, and just left the shot completely short.
Green and gold have the basketball right in front of the head coach and right in front of the bench here. Coach Rob Stock as we get ready to go with Abby Yurchuk, a junior. McMahon is a senior. Schultz is a senior. Marcuzzo is senior. And Snyder, a senior for Metro East. They move it into the front court. Double dribble. Called here, or is it a foul?
It's a foul.
It's a foul called as they were driving in on the freshman, Hannah Rexford, with the foul.
I didn't think there was much contact, if anything, there. That was along the lines of where you were going, maybe a little double dribble there, but.
Here's Marcuzzo throwing it out high. Shareka almost with a steal. Marcuzzo gets it back. Long 3 going up, missed, but Shareka with a silly foul at the 3-point line.
Boy, those are the ones you hate to see, and especially from one of your top players, and you never want to you never want to foul somebody, especially a jump shooter, from beyond the 3-point line, and Yurchuk's going to get a trio.
3 games into the season, she's averaging almost 7 points per game. She puts the first free throw up and in, and she'll still have 2 more, as that's our first score of the game. 1-0. She misses the second free throw, and another one on the way. 1-0 Knights. 2 minutes into the game. Free throw in and out, no good. Hannah Rexford headed the other way. Roxana wearing their white uniforms trimmed in the red, gold, and some blue. As Elizabeth Rexford gives high post now to Shareka for 3. Nope. Missed it off the back iron, and Hannah Rexford, another foul. The freshman has 2.
I'm going to have to put her on the bench. That's 2 quick ones here, less than a little over 2 minutes into the game, but Tammy Talbert's going to leave her in for now. Surprised.
Metro East Lutheran ball. Here they come over the timeline. And they will work it to the top of the key. Yurchuk has it. Now into the right corner. Back to Marcuso, long 3. It's short. Off the front iron. Shareka the other way. Alyssa Stacy, senior, going to check in here. Next stop for Roxana, it looks like. Kreitstryker with a 3 the other way for Roxana.
She's positioned herself out there a couple of times now, and that time got it right at the 3-point line. Nobody went to contest it, and she said, okay, I'll let it fly.
3-1, Roxana takes the lead with that 3 ball. Into the left corner it goes. Metro will try another 3. McMahon missed it. Shareka the other way. A dump pass to Sheets. Glass and good. Erica Sheets for 2.
Yeah, they got out into transition that time and worked it effectively there. Nice little dump inside, and Sheets with the finish.
4:45 to go, first quarter, as Marie Schultz hands the ball off to Emily Marcuso, guard. Marcuso bounces down low, foul, and 1. Morgan Schneider, double zeros, going to get a try at a 3-point play.
That's 4 quick team fouls here on Roxana, not even halfway into the first quarter, and just a nice dump pass to the baseline. Schneider with an aggressive move and is going to have a chance for a 3-point play.
And how about the 3rd foul on Hannah Rexford already?
That's when I was, boy, you get her out of the game after that second one, and now you're going to have to leave her out for quite some time.
Stacy did check into the game. Shot missed, and Alyssa Stacy has the rebound for Roxana. 5-3, the Shells lead. Metro with a couple of subs, including Audrey Pites. Pites is a junior, and she's out top on this zone defense. Shareka skips it to Stacy, back to Rexford. Elizabeth Rexford, the senior, still in the game. And we're halfway through the first quarter. Down to the 4-minute mark we go, and pass to the corner. Shareka bumped and fouled. Carly Schley just into the game, and Schley is going to pick up a foul.
It's the first foul of the game on the green and the gold. Little push on Shareka over in that far left corner.
Hannah Landers, a junior, will check in for Schley after the foul, and Metro stays in the zone defense, and Roxana will throw it in. 4 minutes to go. First quarter, 5-3 Shells. Shareka baseline, good. Drops in off the rim and the glass and falls through for 2.
Nice little soft touch pass or touch shot there to knock it in, and
Sheets with a block shot under the basket. It's still going to be Metro East ball, but Erica Sheets with some good D.
Yeah, I thought Pates was going to have an easy layup there, but good defense to get a block.
They throw it in on the inbounds and an easy layup. McMahon for 2 for Metro.
Yeah, somebody forgot a defensive assignment there. Little backdoor pass.
7-5, Roxana with a 2-point lead again. Shareka skips it to Stacy, back to Rexford between the circles. Now Maddie Shareka again. Over to the left side. Shareka again with over 500 points last year, and she's just over 900 points for her career, and she is a senior. Metro East will pick up a foul here. 3:15 to go. This one will be on McMahon. Kreitstryker out to Shareka. Top of the key, Rexford. Over to Stacy. Now to Sheets. Stolen away on the D. Now a jump ball call. They collapse nicely there at the high post, that defense, and the Knights will stay on defense. Is coming into the game is senior Cindy Scroggins of Roxana.
Yeah, that pass really never had a chance of getting in there cleanly.
3 minutes to go, first quarter. Shareka into a double team, tips it out. Here's Kreitstryker, and a reach in and a foul's called on Pites at the free throw line, and 3 fouls on Metro.
Well, they're very aggressive defensively. Even playing in a zone, you would figure that they would just collapse and sag back and really give him the perimeter shot, but that's not the case.
Freshman Kreitstryker over to senior Shareka here. Maddie skips it back to Kreitstryker. 3, no good. Rebound, Landers, number 13 for the Knights. With 2:30 to go, first quarter. Marcuzzo has it, top of the key. Now to the baseline. Landers stops and pops and ties the game, 7-7.
Nice little head fake and dribble into that baseline, and about a nice little 5-6 footer was good.
Shareka misses a jumper left wing. Just inside the three-point line. Back comes Marcuzzo. She fires, blocked by Sheets. Shot block, and here comes Roxana in a tie game.
Sheets has got a couple of blocks in this one already.
Sheets trying to post up down on the right block, but instead Kreitstryker keeps it outside with 1:45 to go. First quarter here at Roxana High School. Skip pass. Kreitstryker with a miss. Scroggins with a follow, but Scroggins with a foul on the rebound.
Pretty obvious there. She winds up with the offensive rebound, but it was going to be contested, but tried to give herself a little bit of an advantage there and got caught.
Scroggins with her first. 5th team foul on Roxana. Shareka comes out of the game. And coming into the game, 23, Abby Palin of the Shells. Marcuzzo, long pass. They break the press. Inside, foul on Palin as she was behind the shooter. Snyder, 0-0 there. So 7-7 score, 1:33 to go.
That's good aggressive play so far by this Metro team at both ends of the court, figuring out ways to break the press and getting to the free throw line, but they can't hit any right now.
1 for 5.
That's looks about right.
With 1:33 remaining, first quarter, shot missed. Rebound, Erica Sheets to Elizabeth Rexford. Shells ball. Still tied, 7-7. Palin has it with 1:20 to go. First period underway. And almost wrapping up here, the first 8 minutes of the game. Here's Rexford driving left, giving to Kreitstryker. Back to Rexford, 1 minute to go. 3 ball going up left side, no good. They fight for the rebound. Jump ball called. The arrow's going to go to Metro this time as they bring in a starter, Abby Yurchuk, back into the game, a junior.
They're really not giving Roxana much of anything as far as getting into the paint, getting into the lane, any shot attempts there. And if anything does, it's been rare, but they've been contested. They're giving up the three-point shot, any perimeter shot, and really daring Roxana until they make something. They're going to keep giving it to them.
Metro East ball. The Lady Knights, a record of 1-2. Won their last game. That was against Jabot. Glass and good. Schneider with a 3 off the glass.
Not exactly the way it was drawn up, but they all count the same.
Each team has a 3 ball now, and it's 10-7 in favor of the green and gold over the red and gold. Rexford thought about a 3. Now Palin left side. Back to the right side, and Rexford. 10 seconds to go, first quarter. Shells need a good look here. Palin drops it down to Sheets, stolen away. 3 seconds, 2, and that's going to be the end of the first quarter. Metro East on top of Roxana, 10-7 after 1. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
In the market for a new Nissan? Go no further than Auto Centers Nissan in Wood River, the #1 volume Nissan dealer in the Midwest. Auto Centers always has a huge selection, and every new Nissan is backed by Auto Centers' exclusive low price guarantee, 30-day return, and lifetime powertrain warranty. Auto Centers also has a gigantic pre-owned inventory, and regardless of any credit problems, Auto Centers will get you approved. So be wiggity wise and hurry into Auto Centers Nissan, Highway 255 and 143 in Wood River, Illinois. AutoCentersNissan.com.
Red or black, silver or gold, new or used. At First Mid-America Credit Union, they know options are important to you. That's why they've made relationships with local dealerships where you'll receive all the extras with First Mid-America Credit Union's low rates and financing done on the spot. All you have to do is decide what you want. Your car, our loans, they're made for each other. www.1stmidamerica.org or call 618-258-3168 to speak to a representative.
Sports, food, and good times. That's what you'll find at Alton Sports Tap. With our daily specials and the best wings around, no game day is complete without us. Between our main bar, enclosed and outdoor patios, you won't know where to begin your evening. Alton Sports Tap has a spacious banquet center offering plenty of space to host any event and the food to make it great. Whether you stop by to catch a game, grab dinner, or enjoy our new live gaming, Sports Tap has got you covered.
Lead after one.
And they had a 7-0 run to end the quarter.
Dumped down to Scroggins. Shareka there too. Knocked away, and it's still going to be Roxana Ball under their basket.
Boy, look at the defense. Every time she touches the ball, they just swarm around her.
Shareka gets a pick. Right elbow. Shot blocked away. Good D there by Pites. Back comes Metro East again.
She gets a piece of the shot, and again, just being aggressive defensively is making a difference.
Marcuzzo fires a three. Nope. Scroggins with the Roxana rebound. 7 minutes to go, first half. Monday night girls basketball, first half action, and pass to Shareka is tipped out of bounds by Yurchuk. Metro East with still more defense. Shells throw it in, sideline. Rexford to Shareka again. Scroggins and Sheets down low. Now Scroggins fires a shot, missed it. Halfway up the lane, on the side of the lane, she missed the jumper, and back comes Metro East.
I don't think she had complete handle of that basketball shooting it either.
Here's Pites inside. Good move to the basket. Missed it off the glass, though. No good. Shareka up the floor. 1-on-3. Free throw line. Fires. No good. Got the rebound, though. Erica Sheets did. Now down to Scroggins. Tipped away, and it's going to be Roxana Ball under their basket as Abby Palin is going to check in. Sophomore back in for the Shells.
1 for 6. Shareka shooting the basketball right now. It's either contested or just making it difficult every time she touches the basketball.
Jumper outside. Three ball is missed off the rim. Rebound. Marcuzzo headed the other way. Metro East ball. Marcuzzo all the way down. Glass. No. The follow. Yes. And one. Schley was right there. The junior right there to follow up the miss. And a three-point try for the Knights.
Yep, just crashing the boards and gets the offensive rebound. The Shells are slow getting back on defense there. And if you look at Shareka and Kreitsteiger just combined right now, shooting at 2 for 12, and they're going to have to improve those odds.
Metro East going to have to improve the free throw shooting. Another miss, and then a foul on Schneider, 0-0. And that will be her first foul. That three-point try, no good, and the free throws
ugly.
Not good. Metro has made one, right?
1 for 7.
1 out of 7, and they lead it 12-7.
Well, and they're on a 9-0 run, so imagine if you make some free throws, it'd be a lot bigger than that.
Double-digit lead or more. Here's Sheets to Kreitsteiger. Free throw line. A reach in and a foul on the Knights, and that will be their 5th team foul. It'll be on 32, Yurchuk.
I thought they were going to get Sheets caught that ball in the lane and never really exited there. I thought maybe they were going to get her for violation in the lane.
Metro East bringing in McMahon again, a sub off the bench. A starter back in, though. Here's Sheets driving to the left block. And then Rexford grabbed the loose ball. Jump ball, tied up. Metro East ball, timeout. Roxana, Coach Tammy Talbert would like a timeout here. 5:37 to go, second quarter. The Knights 12, the Shells 7. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
Set, hit. Protection, can anyone over there give me protection? Put me in, coach. I can offer protection.
Set, hit.
Not only can I protect the quarterback, I can protect your dreams. Call me, Gerard Fisher, 466-7062.
American Family Insurance.
Basketball and Metro with a lead, 12-7. The Shells have gone cold.
Cold, stale, non-existent on the offensive end anyway. Just they've been stuck on 7 now for quite a while.
The 2 leading scorers for each team in this game have not done much yet. Here's a long 2, up and in for McMahon. She gets a 2 ball there.
Just inside that 3-point line. I thought it might have been a 3, but the official right on top of it there and said she was on the line.
Marcuso, their leading scorer, 8.5 points per game, has not scored yet. Kreitstryker missed it from the left side as
Forced it.
went off the glass, and good D there, forced it up.
They're playing some really good defense in this game. Again, it's just disruptive, taking everything away from the lane.
Here's a steal in the lane by Maddie Shareka. Roxana ball. Rexford fires a 3. It's short. Metro East ball. Marcuso with the rebound. McMahon the other way.
Roxana.
Yurchuk 3. No good. Tipped out, and it's Roxana ball.
Roxana now shooting at 3 for 16 in the game and 0 for 6 in this second quarter.
The Shells had 7 points in the first quarter, and they've been stuck on 7 for quite a while. It was 10-7 after 1 quarter. It's 14-7 right now. Here's Shareka, shot blocked by Marcuso out of bounds. And it's going to be Roxana ball under their basket. $3:59 till halftime. Midway through the second quarter now. Here's Abby Palin, free throw line to Rexford. Elizabeth Rexford out to Abby Palin again. Now they drop it to the baseline. Shareka to Rexford to Palin. Left elbow shot, glass, no good. Rebound, Knights the other way. Metro East ball again, up by 7. Baseline. To the corner it goes. 3 ball, up and in. Yurchuk for 3.
Another timeout for the Shells. Boy, they're just completely discombobulated right now.
And it is now 17-7. The Metro East Lutheran Knights lead the Lady Shells here in Roxana. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
We're always looking for better ways to do things. But with some banks, better for them isn't always better for you.
You've reached Megabank. Press 1 to hear your current balance. Press 2 to hear these options again.
Introducing free Kasasa checking. When you do stuff for us, like swipe your debit card or get e-statements, we make it even better for you with cash back and refunds on ATM fees. Kasasa, carried locally at Liberty Bank. Do you Kasasa?
The Roxana timeout, Shells underneath, bucket and good as they get it down to Erica Sheets. She put it in and she was fouled. She'll try for a 3-point play.
Well, finally at the 2:45 mark, they were able to get a ball inside. Nice little spin move there and get an actual decent look at the basket because those have been far and few in between, especially in this quarter.
Sheets free throw in and out after the foul by Marcuso, her first. Sheets has 4 points to lead Roxana. It's now 17-9. They finally get off that 7 on the scoreboard. Here's Sheets with another block underneath the basket. Here come the Shells. Shareka to the 3-point line. Kreitstryker fires off the rim. No good. Jump ball on the weak side. Shareka and Marcuso tying it up there, and it's Lady Shells ball. And Rexford's going to throw it in under the Roxana basket. 2:20 to go, second quarter, and here's Sheets into Shareka. Missed it at the front of the rim.
She just can't get any good looks right now.
Back the other way, Metro East. Just over 2 minutes to go, second quarter. Down low it goes, inside, shot up and in. This time over Sheets, a rainbow shot by Schley. She didn't want it blocked.
I was going to say it took some time for it to go up and down.
Over Erica Sheets, a 5'10 senior. 19-9, the Knights by 10 again. Shareka left side to the baseline. Short jumper missed. Rebound Metro.
1 for 9 now.
Knights into the front court. Down again. Underneath. Missed it. Sheets with a block. Now another shot is no good. Rebound Roxana. Foul on Metro East.
Schley's going to be kicking herself for those misses there. Boy, that was a good looking pass. Good entry. Dish into her down low. Missed that easy bunny. Roxana's going to go to the free throw line now.
Shells go to the other end, and it's going to be Sarah Kreitstreicher, 5'10", freshman.
They've only taken 1 free throw in the game so far.
In the air, missed the front end of the 1-and-1. Both teams could use their free throws. Metro East with a lead, 19-9, 1:09 to go till halftime. Schneider driving in, blocked by Sheets again. She has a handful of blocks already in the half. Here's Rexford the other way. Top of the key, 3 off the back iron. Missed it, rebound Palin. Gives to Sheets, out to Rexford. Now Kreitstreicher, long shot, missed. Rebound Sheets, Roxana again. Now right side, Maddie Shareka driving into the lane.
Good
Dumps
pass.
it to Sheets, left hand, good.
That's what they need to start doing, is getting some of these guards, get some penetration towards the basket, and make that quick little dish as you draw the defense out. They've done that on their last couple of possessions that they've been able to score.
And Sheets leading the way with 6 for the Shells now. Another bucket there. Here's a running jumper missed by Schneider. 15 seconds to go till halftime. Maddie Shareka, top of the key. Running jumper into the lane. Missed it. Sheets with a rebound. Put it on the floor, though, and that's trouble. Jump ball called on the floor. And the arrow is going to go to Metro East. And here's Alyssa Stacy for Roxana.
Well, I don't know why when Sheets got that offensive rebound, why she just didn't take it straight back up. Once she puts a dribble down on the court, it hurt her.
2 seconds, 1 long 3 going up off the rim for McMahon. No good, but the Knights will take a lead to the locker room. It's halftime, 19-11. Metro East over Roxana. Back for halftime in Shell Country in a moment. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
All right, sir, we finished all the services on your car. They'll take it over for your complimentary car wash, and they'll call you when it's ready.
Dad, the toilet's clogged again.
Ruderman to the rescue. We'll clean any drain, anytime, anywhere. Ruderman is your locally owned and operated plumbing and drain cleaning company. We're friendly, fast, and reliable. Ruderman takes the extra steps to protect your home while providing stellar 24-hour emergency superhero service with hometown pricing. So for plumbing repairs, drain cleaning, water heaters, filtration systems, or just when your house pipes are in trouble, call Ruderman.
In today's economy, everyone's looking for an encouraging sign. That's exactly what you'll find right here at my State Farm office in Bethalto. I'm Tom Lane, and for 86 years, State Farm agents like me have been helping you protect the things that matter most. That's why more people trust State Farm, and why we consider that a very good sign.
Call Tom Lane State Farm office in Bethalto at 377-8912 or go to tomlaneagency.net.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Right back at Roxana High, live coverage of Monday night girls Riverbend basketball. Lady Shells and Metro East Lutheran Knights. And the third quarter gets ready to get underway. The clock is running here in the third quarter, but the players aren't on the floor yet. It says 7:50 remaining. Is that Bill Smith or who can we blame? Mike McKinney?
I think we'll blame him for it.
Coach Mike McKinney. 8 minutes on the clock. We reset it, and here's Roxana with the basketball. Third quarter underway. Down to Sheets, out to Shareka. 3 is missed on the left side. Rebound, Metro East.
That's actually not a bad play, though, because they kicked it inside. Sheets was covered. Kick it right back outside and get an open look for a 3. But right now, Shareka's just not hitting anything. 1 for 11.
Abby McMahon, the senior. Down low it goes. Shot missed there. Underneath, Marie Schultz missed a shot on the right block. Rebound, Roxana. Shareka in the right corner. Skips it to Kreitstryker. Her shot missed on the left wing. Short jumper, no good. Metro East ball the other way again.
She can't make anything either.
Back and forth we go, no points. Here's Yurchuk with it. Number 32. Out to McMahon. Now Marcuzzo to Schneider. A minute into the third quarter. Scoop shot missed on the baseline, but Erica Sheets will pick up a foul for Roxana.
Her first. Team's first, and it'll send McMahon. I have to keep reminding myself, McMahon, not McMahon, McMahon.
Senior, number 34, misses the free throw.
I'm sure she's been called McMahon once or twice or 100 times.
Exactly. Boy, these free throws for the Knights.
Killing them.
Missed 1, missed 2. Wow. 0 for 2 again.
Boy, you look down at Rob Stock, he's just kind of wants to just grind his teeth seeing all those misses from the line. And they're up by 8.
Still have the lead. Sooner or later, it may come back to haunt the green and gold.
No doubt.
Shareka jump pass to Elizabeth Rexford. Now Sarah Kreitstryker with it. Sarah bounces it out to Elizabeth Rexford, out to Maddie Shareka near the center circle. Inside, ball tipped away. Hannah Rexford grabs the loose ball, and then Metro with the foul. 2 or 3 players there, but Schneider, 0-0, will get the foul. So Roxana gets ready to throw it in, but first we have a sub. Hannah Landers in for Schneider with 2 fouls. She sits down. And they throw it in, but nobody there on a couple of cutters going left and right, and the pass goes out of bounds.
It's like nobody wanted a basketball there, and Roxana, it's only their 4th turnover, and it's pretty good. I mean, I say only because both teams only turned it over 3 times in the first half.
6 minutes to go, third quarter, and we're still at 19-11. That was the halftime score. Roxana's gone to a zone defense here. Pressuring the ball out to the 3-point line. Missed shot, rebound. Landers, offensive rebound, but she traveled in the lane as she tried to get it out to the top of the key.
And Marcuzzo can't hit anything either now. She's only taken 5 shots, but every one of them have been off the mark so far.
Elizabeth Rexford down to Sheets. 1 dribble, Sheets back out to Rexford. Now Kreitstryker will dump it down to Hannah Rexford, blocked away. Blocked away under the basket.
When they get that ball down on the low block, they just have to be strong and take it up with conviction right away.
Marcuzzo 3, no good. Hannah Rexford rebound. Hannah driving up the floor. Wanted to give the ball to Shareka on the wing. Tipped out, and now a sub in for Metro East. Carly Schley, junior, checks in. And with 5 minutes to go, third quarter, we still don't have a point in the second half.
First one to 20 wins, is that what you're saying?
Yes, 20, 25. Here's Shareka with it. Left side, Rexford. That's Elizabeth Rexford down to her sister. Hannah Rexford.
Boy, look at the defense just collapse.
Elizabeth with a 3. It's off the mark. Rebound, Shareka jumping it up there. Tied up with Schley. The arrow to the Knights. So with 4:44 to go, third quarter, here comes Metro East. Roxana will make a change here in a moment. Abby Palin to the scorer's table. Down to the baseline it goes, and a kick on the defense. Kick ball out of bounds. Here comes Palin for Elizabeth Rexford. Metro East throws it in, shot up, and it rolls in. Off the inbound, Schley for 2.
That's one of those where you get it near the basket and just take it strong. And that time Schley did a nice job of going up with that one. She has 6 points. I believe it's the first double-digit lead.
I think that's right. 21-11. And here is Shareka, tied up by Marcuso, but they call a foul on Emily Dare.
Yeah, I think I'm looking at Coach Rob Stock. He's got his thumbs up, too. He wanted a jump ball there.
Metro East on the road tonight at Roxana, and they're going to play on the road some more. Ball tipped out of bounds. Thursday at Madison, Saturday at Brussels, Monday at Nokomis. Chabot at Metro East next Thursday. That's their next home game next week. Here's Erica Sheets driving in off the inbounds. Foul there as Roxana's trying to force some things, just trying to do something to get some offense going. They still have 11 points.
Boy, and Marcuso picks up quick fouls here.
Sheets misses the free throw. She still has 6 points. Roxana has had games where they've scored, 31 this year and 37. Those were their 2 losses. And this one is missed. And it's going to be a violation anyway on Roxana. So Metro East ball up by 10.
Not much of anything's going right.
Meanwhile, the Roxana girls home Thursday against Bunker Hill later this week. Yurchuk misses a 3. Rebound, loose. Kreitstryker the other way. It's still loose, though, in the backcourt. She picks it back up. Into the front court she goes. Down to Sheets. Blocked away, knocked away. Turnover. Knights ball.
Trying to force something that's just not there. Now you can sense that frustration is setting in because they just can't get anything to go right.
Right side, it is McMahon with the basketball. 3:15 to go, third quarter. Bounced underneath on the inline, out of bounds. Shell's ball on the turnover, and this quarter still 2-0 Knights. 2-0 in 5 minutes. 3 minutes to go, third quarter. Here's Shareka to the baseline, fouled on the jump shot there. Hit on the arm by Schley, it looks like. Number 5 with her third. Marcuso with 3. Hannah Rexford has 3 for Roxana. Shareka misses the free throw.
Now they're 0 for 5.
And Metro East, 1 for 9 maybe?
Correct.
1 for 9.
So we're at a balmy 1 for 14 combined.
Free throws, just like the field goal percentage. Wow. Shareka hits the second free throw. Finally, the Shells are off 11 points, and they have 12, and they trail 21-12. And they try to step it up with a double team. They're double teaming the basketball. Timeout, Metro East. Coach Rob Stock would like a timeout with 2:46 to go, third quarter. Again, after the game, our Munganast Alton Toyota player of the game. Stay tuned for that. And tomorrow night, stay tuned again for Illinois at Miami. The Illini and the Hurricanes tomorrow night. Combined 13-0 on the season. Illinois beating Baylor over the weekend. Those teams were both 5-0 coming in. Illinois now 6-0. Miami 7-0. And they tip off at 8 tomorrow night on the Big Z. Roxana here at home, trailing 21-12, third quarter. The Knights throw it in out of the timeout, tipped out of bounds, and Roxana again stepping up that defense.
Well, they need to get some turnovers and get out into some transition, maybe get some baskets that way, because they're sure not doing it any other way.
Down the baseline, McMahon back out to Schneider. 0-0 back in the game. Here's Audrey Pites. Landers to McMahon. Back to Landers underneath. Layup. Good. She dumped it in.
Boy, almost like a little high-low play there from out wide on the left wing, and they perfected it very well.
Sophomore into the game, throwing it to Palin. She misses the shot. But Cassie Vanzo gets the rebound. Vanzo into the game for the first time, a sophomore. Now Abby Palin, sophomore, gives to Hannah Rexford. Down the baseline to Vanzo, knocked out by the defense, the green defense of Metro. 2:08 to go, third quarter. Shareka throws it in. To the top, Abby Palin, three-point line. Now to Sheets, turnover, we're going the other way. Metro East ball, free throw line, McMahon skips it to the corner, Schneider, three, nope. Sheets the other way, gives it to Hannah Rexford. She'll hold it up for Sheets, gives to Shareka, and they set it up. 23-12 score. Sheets fires it up, fouled. A step into the lane as they got it to the post. Schneider with another foul.
Now she has three.
Three Metro East players with 3 fouls apiece. Sheets puts it up and in. 7 for her. But Erica, 1 out of 4 from the line. Makes both of them here, though, 2 for 2. 8 points now for the senior, Erica Sheets. 90 seconds to go, third period. 23-14, Metro. Metro East into the lane, short jumper, rolls off the rim, missed. Vanzo the rebound, Roxana. Schultz almost got that shot to roll in. Shareka with a 3, in and out. Sheets knocks it out of bounds. And a foul, too, on Sheets over the back. Her second foul.
Full court press here by the Shells.
They need to do something to turn the tide, trailing 23-14. 1 minute to go, third quarter now. Here's Yurchuk with it. Down low it goes to Schultz, knocked away, and Metro East will throw it in again. The Knights get ready to throw it in, but first they bring in Danielle Timmerman, number 4, sophomore into the game.
I don't think we've seen her yet, have we?
No. And the entire roster is juniors and seniors except for 1 sophomore, and that is Timmerman. The varsity level. There's McMahon skipping it left side. Timmerman has it now. 40 seconds remaining, third quarter. Here's a drive by Yurchuk, running jumper, no good. Rebound, Metro East will try again. Shot up, no, they get another rebound and a foul on the weak side on the Shells.
Well, you start giving them 3 and 4 and 5 opportunities, well, eventually it's going to go against you, and that time it does go against the Shells.
Free throw up and good. Number 32 at the line, Yurchuk, 5 points.
And she's got both makes from the free throw line.
There you go, 2 for 10 as a team. And 2 for 2 this time. Sheets was 2 for 2 a moment ago, and now Yurchuk, 2 for 2. Sheets underneath, double teamed, out to Shareka, top of the key. Missed the 3, rebound Knights.
Yeah, it's just so far that kind of a night for Maddie. Can't make anything.
5 seconds to go. Metro East up by 11. They need to hurry. Timmerman fires a desperation shot. No good. A long 3. Missed it. And after 3 quarters, Metro East 25, Roxana 14. Shells with just a 3-point quarter, 3 free throws. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
I'll grab the birthday cake, you bring the gift, if you're sure she's ready.
She's 16, honey, and she's earned a set of keys.
She's studied and practiced, I know, but it's a big responsibility.
When you have a teen driver, it's good to know that Madison Mutual has the insurance coverage you need.
She's ready, and so are we. I talked to our Madison Mutual agent.
Call Barry Macias, your local independent insurance agent, at 467-2874.
The more life changes, the more you need Madison Mutual.
Roper's Regal Beagle, located on Godfrey Road, is the Metro East premier sports bar and grill. Open Sunday through Thursday till 2 a.m. and Fridays and Saturdays till 3 a.m. At Roper's Regal Beagle, you will enjoy some of the area's best pizza from their wood-fired pizza oven. There's also a full kitchen offering a huge variety, as well as a soup and salad bar. Sports fans, Roper's Regal Beagle is the place to watch the game. 27 TVs, NFL ticket, Big Ten, Pac-12, and streaming local high school sports.
One of the greatest myths about car dealers is that some pay less for their cars than others. Hi, I'm John Roberts, and we all pay the same. Here at Roberts Motors, we can compete with any Ford dealer, regardless of how big they are or how great they say their deals are. The number one concern of anyone buying a car today is service. At Roberts Motors, we pride ourselves in exceptional service before, after, and during the sale. Stop in today and see why Roberts has been the home of happy customers since 1949. Or see us online at robertsmotors.com.
Just 8 minutes to go now. We're going to the 4th quarter. Louis Korak and Brent Birkeland back with you. And how about this? 25-14 Metro.
Shells are right there. Touchdown and a 2-point conversion and a field goal, and you even it right back. Oh, wait a minute. We're not in football here, are we?
They've had quarters of 7, 4, and 3. That's it. 4th quarter underway. Roxana ball, and they need a big 4th quarter. Better than the first 3, to say the least. Metro East, though, with a steal. Roxana turns it over.
I was going to say the Shells almost need to double their. They do need to double their point total from 3 quarters.
Free throw line, jumper, good. Schley up in the air, and it drops through.
Never seen anybody rainbow a ball like that, and it just drops through with ease.
8 points for her off the bench. Now Shareka driving, and Marcuso
yep,
will pick up the foul, her 4th.
4 fouls and no points.
And
they're up by 13.
Rough night for a lot of players on both teams tonight. Really. But one team's going to be just happy to get out of here with a win early in the season. December 1st basketball. Here's Shareka to Elizabeth Rexford. Now Sarah Kreitstreicher on the free throw line. Out to Rexford again. 6:46 to go. Now Maddie Shareka steps back. 3 ball is missed. Knights have it the other way.
Shareka's missed 10 straight field goal attempts now. And she's 1 for 13.
I don't know if she's had a shooting night like this in a long, long time.
Or ever.
True. 27-14. The Knights pulling away, up by 13 points with 6 minutes to go. They dump it down to the block. Marcuso double teamed out to the 3-point line. 3 ball, nope. Roxana rebound. Hannah Rexford the other way. Gives it to Elizabeth Rexford as they set up the offense again against the 2-3 zone defense. Here's Maddie Shareka sitting back in that zone. They're just daring Roxana to shoot, not shoot it well. Rexford at 3. Nope, it won't go. Shareka rebound, good, and one. She got it on the weak side. Maddie sneaking in there, and she'll try for 3.
Yeah, somebody forgot their homework assignment down there to box out and keep everybody off the low block there. And it's going to be Schultz with the foul. And if there's one way that Shareka can maybe sneak in there and get some points, she got it right there. Still 5:31 to go, but she's going to have a chance to complete a 3-point play here.
5 points for Shareka. 3 shells have scored total. Sheets has 8. Free throw good. 3-point play. Makes it now a 27-17 10-point game.
Now that sounds more like a football score, right?
Yes. 3 ball the other way. Missed. Rebound by the shooter. Yurchuk has it.
If you're the home team, you hate to see that happen. A 3-point shooter getting her own rebound.
Down the side of the lane, Sheets with a block, out of bounds. Roxana ball after the Sheets block.
5 of them now for her.
Roxana ball, now we're at 5 minutes to go in the game. Dumped down inside, Sheets missed it, rebound. Hannah Rexford tried to follow it up, out of bounds. It's going to go to the Knights.
Now again, it was another decent look there, and Santa just not getting anything to fall. And they're coming out full court press again, but Metro's been able to break it with pretty much ease.
There's a missed layup as they break the press. No good, right underneath the basket. Here come the Shells.
Gotta have that one.
4:44 to go in the game. Kreitstryker to Shareka. Now Rexford will try a 3. It's off the rim, no good. They needed that or something at that time. An empty possession again, but Metro throws it away, out of bounds.
You're up by 10 points, and yeah, there's Coach Stock. He's pointing at the clock. He's saying, why are we in a hurry? We have a 10-point lead. We should be milking the clock, if anything.
4:20 to go in the game. Down to the corner, Shareka, 3, no good.
I think it was blocked.
And Metro East going to come the other way. To the top of the key, now free throw line, driving down, missed, but Sheets, Erica Sheets with a reach in and a foul on that drive by Schley.
She's had a nice game for this Knights team, a junior.
4 buckets, and she'll try for double figures here. But the free throw is missed. Another one coming. Sheets out of the game. McDonald into the game. Dominique McDonald, a sophomore, number 1. In the air, this one's good. 9 points for her off the bench. And now it's 28-17. Elizabeth Rexford off the glass. Running jumper, no good. Metro East ball, and we're down to 3:40 to go in the game.
Roxana as a team, 6 for 39 now.
Ouch. Yurchuk has it, and they'll kill some clock, bringing it outside to McMahon.
Well, Roxana's got some fouls to give, they've got some fouls to give. They're going to have to get a little aggressive here defensively and go for some steals.
Into the corner, a double team. They almost got the turnover. Now they'll go left side. Here's Landers driving in, gives it off to McMahon. Bumped, foul, no call. Out of bounds. Now we're going to have a foul called on the Shells. And it's going to be on Rexford, I believe. Elizabeth Rexford with the foul. Metro throws it in, but they turn it over right away. Hannah Rexford the other way. Glass, no. The follow is up. It's missed. They missed 2 under the basket, but they get the rebound again. Here's Shareka, long 3. It's off the rim. No good. Hannah Rexford fires it up, and it won't go, but she is fouled under the basket.
She'll get 2 shots as a result.
4th foul on Carly Schley. Hannah Rexford, lefty, throws it up. No good. Still hasn't scored in the game. She had those early fouls, 3 fouls first half. Had to sit much of that first half. And the freshman will try again. With her team down by 11. No good. Missed both free throws. Jump ball, though, as Rexford was in there on the rebound. The arrow's going to go to the Knights. Timeout, Knights. 2:37 to go in the game. Metro East hanging on to the lead, though, up by 11, 28-17 here at Roxana. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.
It's the final play of the game. Down by 4, Andes will need to score to win it. The quarterback lines up, ball is snapped. It's a handoff. He breaks outside of the tackle. He's got daylight. He could go all the way. Touchdown! Andes wins.
You too can score a touchdown at Andes Auto Sales.
Check out the all-star lineup at Andes Auto Sales today.
2:37 remaining in the ball game. Right back to Roxana High School here. Live coverage of girls basketball tonight on the Big Z. And we're going to have a jump ball called on the throw in there. And Roxana will get it on the arrow now. Goes to the Shells. And Sheets comes into the game for McDonald. Roxana down 28-17. Shareka in the corner, 3-ball, missed. We have a foul on the rebound. It's a foul on Erica Sheets of Roxana.
And that'll give her 4.
Comes into the game, trying for that rebound, but commits her 4th foul. 2:22 to go as Metro East just keeps it away from the defense here. Here's a foul. Hannah Rexford with her 4th. Shells just trying to stop the clock and get Metro at the line here. Up by 11, though. 2:19 to go. Schneider at the line.
Not a bad idea because, well, I was just going to say they can't make any free throws, but they've made, what, 4 out of their last 5, I believe.
Mm-hmm. In the air, good. 2 for 2, Morgan Schneider. And Roxana the other way. Here is Shareka losing the ball. Kreitstryker picks it up, though. She'll fire it up. Good. Right side, free throw line extended.
She had missed 9 straight field goals and finally gets one to fall.
30-19, and we have a foul in the backcourt on the Shells again. 1:57 to go now.
It'll be Rexford. The other one.
Elizabeth with her 2nd foul. To the line goes Abby McMahon. In the air, it rolls in. Good. She's got 3 points in the game. Metro East with 31 on the board, 32 on the board as they go 2 for 2 at the line.
5 for 6 here in the 4th quarter.
And lead by 13 points now. with just 1:45 to go. Looks like the Shells will lose their second game in a row, and they'll try again Thursday night against Bunker Hill, Monday night against Staunton. .135 remaining as Kreitstryker gives it to Elizabeth Rexford. Down to Shareka. Up and good. And one. Down on the block. Down on the low post this time for Shareka.
That's going to be too little too late, though. They needed that a lot sooner than they got it.
8 points in the game now. 5 in the quarter for Shareka. She had 2 at halftime. Free throw good. It's a 3-point play. And now it is a timeout on the floor.
Well, the Knights led this by what, as many as 13 points, and they still have a double-digit lead. It's going to take something extraordinary for Roxana to try to pull this thing off or even get it to overtime.
Especially the way the offenses have been going tonight.
Or the way they haven't been going.
True. 32-22 is our score with just a minute and a half to go. 1:30 remaining. And coming out of this timeout, we'll see. But the Shells again, quarters of 7, 4, and 3. Well, now this quarter they have 8. Their biggest quarter of the night, but it's still not nearly enough. Metro East quarters of 10, 9, 6. Here in this quarter, they're at 7 points so far. Here we go, Metro East ball with 1:30 to go. And they throw it in. Roxana will keep fouling, I guess, or at least trap the ball. Down to the corner, Marcuzzo. Shot, glass, good. Marcuzzo down the baseline.
Finally on the board.
And a steal. 34-22, and the Knights will back it up with 1:08 to go. Rexford with a foul. Elizabeth with her third.
More free throws here.
23 goes to the line. Audrey Peitz hasn't scored yet. In the air and no good. Missed the front end of the 1-and-1. Roxana ball. 1 minute left as they move into the front court. Kreitstryker to Rexford. She fires a 3. It's short. Rebound Roxana though. Here's Shareka to the side of the lane. Missed the short jumper. And a foul is called on Roxana with the rebound there. One of the Rexfords going to get a foul. Elizabeth with her fourth.
Double bonus time now. 47.1 remaining here.
Marcuzzo to the line. In a 34-22 ball game. It's in the air. It's good. In the air, good again. Knights hitting some free throws here in the fourth quarter. 7 out of 9. There's a shot from the left side, no good. Rebound, knocked out of bounds off of the Knights. Roxana ball, but 35.2 seconds to go now. Maddie Shareka into the lane, fires it up, fouled. On the jump shot there, hit her on the arm. Peitz with a foul. And Shareka goes to the line. She is 3 for 4 at the line.
Well, if anything, this gives her a chance to get into double figures.
In the air and good. Started the season, first 4 games, scoring 72 points, 18 per game. She's now over 80 points for the year. This one's good, 2 for 2. And back the other way comes Metro East Lutheran, and Hannah Rexford fouls out of the game, it looks like, into the front court here.
Yep, that'll be the end of the line.
The freshman, Hannah Rexford, will foul out. We'll see a lot of her this year and even into softball. Apparently an outstanding softball player, and we'll see that in the springtime. 27.7 seconds left. Free throw, no good.
Pat Keith didn't want to hang around for that?
Nope. He let Arb take control.
Yeah.
Mike Arbuthnot. Free throw, no good. 0 for 2, and Roxana Ball with 27 seconds left. Here they come. Roxana Ball, but down by a dozen. As they pick it up in the front court, Roxana's going to be 2-3 after 5 games this year. Try to get back to 500 Thursday night against Bunker Hill. Shareka misses a 3. Rebound Knights. Metro East in the backcourt. And they fire it across court. Now over the timeline with 5 seconds left. Into the corner, Marcuzzo back to the top. Metro East Lutheran winning at Roxana tonight. The Knights over the Lady Shells tonight. 36-24, our final. Back with a postgame in a moment. You're listening to Big Z Radio Sports.